That was weird. I started recording and then it just died for no reason. And I started again. I was like, please don't tell me it ran out of battery somehow. But it didn't. Just for whatever reason, just shut off. What is this? Alright, so done. New map is on the spike. And I was putting on my new Dainese gloves and what the hell? This thing is falling apart. These are like literally my newest pair. That's not good. Weird. My newest gloves are like the ones that are breaking. And they're all like, I have the older Dainese like stuff and those were perfect. I don't get it. What'd you do, Dainese? Did you change something? Oh, keys all the way around. There we go. Alright, I gotta change some of the stuff real quick. And I need gas. Kinda bad, or not really? Nah, not really. Mainly testing if everything is good with the bike, nothing went wrong or anything like that. This bike is so nice. When I don't ride it, I'm always like, if I ever had to get rid of the bike, this would be one of the options, but every time I ride it, I'm like, I can't get rid of this. This is just like, it's so nice. It's so much fun. Maybe we should get gas. I don't know, should we? I don't know why I'm very complex. I can't make up my mind. But yeah, ideally, like, you know, I should make this my track bike, but it's too pretty and it's the first year of the factory, you know, and there's not many of the all black factories. It's just a rare bike in general, you know, I mean, you don't see those often, so I don't want to like mess it up. I'd rather get like another base RSV4 or another like newer factory, because I've seen more of these, and make that my track bike, which is definitely, I don't know if I've told you guys, but that was the option before I bought the Rush. I almost did that. I almost bought a brand, I think it was a 2021. I don't know if it was a 2020 or 2021 RSV4 factory, and I was going to make that my track bike with the new crazy exhaust that I've showed you guys in one of my videos, the GP22 or something like that. So that was the plan. That's what I wanted to do. So if I didn't get the Rush, that was the other option, but I don't know, it just felt like, yeah, it would have been a track bike and cool and stuff like that, but it's still kind of like the same bike, you know, it's still a factory, it's almost identical, so it's nothing like special in my opinion. I love the pops on this bike. But yeah, I was gonna say, if I wasn't, I wanted to do the Rush just because it's, first of all, it's an MV, so I'm completing the brands. I feel like Thanos, you know, I'm just trying to complete all the brands. I think Thanos only had to get 6 Infinity Stones, so I already have 7, so technically I already beat him. But there's more major bike brands than Infinity Stones, so it is what it is. I don't know if it's placebo or not, but the bike feels like even more torquey down low. It definitely feels more aggressive with this new tune. I wonder if they only adjusted it for the stacks or if it was like a completely like better improved tune. I can't be doing too much because we do not have gas, so let's not get stranded and completely run out, because I don't really know how far a full gas tank can take me, or a gallon, because it's usually a gallon left when the light comes on. So it should be around 20 plus miles of regular riding, so we don't have much left. For those of you guys that don't know, velocity stacks are actually mainly for more top end. So in the top end, there's like a lot more power, like about 10 horsepower more. So they're pretty like significant. But also we got the new updated tune, and I'm assuming that like that tune is definitely like up, like better. You know what I mean? Because I don't know, the bike just feels better, but also I haven't rode it in a while, so maybe I haven't ridden in general in a while, so I kind of forgot how fast these crazy bikes are. So yeah, I haven't even really tested out the main purpose of the stacks and all that, but the bike feels absolutely amazing. So sorry, I'm very rusty, there's a lot going on and I'm very, very tired. But yeah, the bike feels amazing, no issues at all, everything was smooth. Obviously didn't test out the top end, I'm too tired and I haven't ridden in a while, so I don't really want to, you know, ride too fast or anything like that. But the bike is great. It's great to be back on a bike in general. I'm wearing my merch too. If you guys want to get my merch, check out the first link in the description. I'm wearing my hoodie, the carbon hoodie. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it's meh. I'm still very, very sick, but I'm trying to make more videos for you guys and get back to it. Pushing through the pain. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.